I'm currently at Shimla and I'm right now heading to Jaku temple. It is a 2-kilometer hike from here. My journey started from Dharamshala, got down at ISBT and boarded to Old Bus Stand, got on the lift to the ridge and walked towards St. Christ Church. The temperature here is 3 degrees Celsius and yet I'm sweating. That's how steep the gradient is. If you ever feel like building strong legs, don't hit the gym, just come to Shimla. By the way, there are seating arrangements available. If you need to hold your breath or something, you can relax and sit here. Also, there's a taxi facility available. They charge around 20 rupees, I guess. They go from the other way around and you reach directly in front of the front gate of the temple. I'm almost there, just a little bit. Here, have a look. There's the idol and few more steps to go. Last few steps. I'm almost there. Oh, so this is where the taxi will drop you off, and from here it's a small way. Let's get in. Jaku temple is a popular tourist attraction site. People come here from all over India. There are 3 ways to reach the top. By walking, by ropeway, which costs 250 per trip. For going and coming back, that will cost you 500. Or by taxis and shared cabs. I personally didn't take the ropeway because I have fear of heights. Hence, I chose to walk instead. It was definitely challenging, which made it worth the climb. The temple is surrounded by Doladar trees, tourists and monkeys. Just being here will get you energized. You get a sense of calmness. Let us see what the tourists have to say about this place.
We are first time here. We are from Bangalore.
तो भाई लोग आप लोग
पानीपत फ्रॉम हरियाणा।
ओके नाइस। और यहाँ पे हिमाचल पहली बार आ रहे हो?
हाँ भाई पहली बार
और फर्स्ट टाइम शिमला भी आ रहे हो?
हाँ शिमला फर्स्ट टाइम है।
पटियाला से हैं और पंजाबी यूनिवर्सिटी में स्टडी कर रहे हैं और पहली बार जाकू मंदिर आए हैं।
So guys, what do you think about this place, this temple, Jaku temple?
Yeah, this is amazing place actually.
Do you just love the nature around here?
Yeah, definitely.
Yes.
Have you seen some other similar temples like this, or this is the first?
This is the first place we are
the
visiting.
first place
Today
we
is
are
the first place.
visiting.
Today only we have started
So are
actually.
you guys enjoying in Himachal?
Yes,
Yeah, definitely.
absolutely.
बढ़िया। और जाको मंदिर यहाँ पे आके कैसा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा भाई।
चढ़ने में तो बहुत कठिनाई हुई,
अच्छा।
लेकिन यहाँ आने के बाद
मजा आ गया बस
पूरे हो गए।
मौज होगी।
तो आप चढ़ के आए यहाँ पे पूरा 2 किलोमीटर?
चढ़ के आए जी।
उठने की तो जगह है ही नहीं।
तो पता क्या इसे बालाजी के स्टैचू को देखते रहे और आते रहे, एनर्जी आती रही, चढ़ते रहे, देखते रहे। जय बालाजी जय
यहाँ आगे
बालाजी।
देखा बहुत बड़ी स्टैचू है यार ये।
बढ़िया।
काफी
और
अच्छा।
अभी वापस रोपवे में जाओगे उतर के जाओ?
नहीं भाई जैसे आए थे वैसे ही जाएंगे, पैसे भी इतने नहीं है।
हम शिमला तो काफ़ी टाइम आते रहते हैं एंजॉय करने के लिए, पर आज हम पहली बार जाखू मंदिर आए हैं। यहाँ आके बहुत अच्छा लगा और मन को दिल को सुकून मिला है। तो हम लोग पैदल आए हैं, सीढ़ियाँ चढ़ के 2 किलोमीटर का रास्ता था। हम एडवेंचर जैसे एंजॉय करते करते आए हैं और वापस हम ट्रॉली से जाएंगे।
The story of Jaku Hanuman temple is very interesting. Remember the time when Lakshman was hurt?
During the battle course of Ramayana, Ram's younger brother Lakshmana got injured by a powerful arrow and became unconscious. He couldn't be revived despite several efforts. Then, a renowned priest told Lord Rama that he needed a particular Sanjeevani herb to bring him back to life. Hanuman was given the charge of getting the herb from the Himalayas. While going towards the Himalayas, he met sage Yaku on the hilltop. Hanuman sat on the mountain and cleared his doubts about the herb. The mount couldn't bear his weight and got flattened, remaining half of its size. After collecting enough information about the herb, he promised Yaku to meet him while going back to Lanka. However, on his way back, he had to fight with a demon named Kalnemi, who tried to fool him around, which consumed a lot of his valuable time. To reach Lanka on time, he chose not to meet Sage and took the shortest possible route. When Sage was disappointed, he thought of meeting him in person and tell the reason for breaking the promise. As Hanuman left the place, an idol of him appeared on the hill by itself. To honor the Lord's visit, Yaku built a temple there. It is believed till date that the temple has the footprints of Hanuman, and the monkeys that stay around the shrine are the descendants of Lord Hanuman.
So this is the exact place where Hanuman landed his foot. Monkeys are distracting me, and I think they're going to go after my bag. Okay, they're not. These monkeys will bribe you. You're wearing sunglasses, you have something in your hand, they're gonna steal it, they're gonna snatch it, and they're gonna blackmail you till you don't give them any sort of prasad. Prasad is basically any sort of food which you might give to a monkey, basically a banana. So my final thoughts about the temple was pretty good. I enjoyed it thoroughly. I'm glad I went there. I have no words for it. Statue, the temple, the surrounding, everything was beautiful. And right now I'll be having this.